A New York appeals court has slapped Donald Trump in the face with his 11th-hour bid to delay his Friday sentencing in his felony hush money case. Please watch till the end, as this news will make your day. Before we proceed, please take some precious seconds of your time and click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to receive the latest updates from us. Lawyers for the president-elect sought to overrule the lower court judge overseeing the case who had ordered Trump to appear for sentencing on the 10th of January. The appeals court issued its decision just minutes after holding an emergency hearing on Tuesday. Earlier this week, Justice Juan Merchan said the sentencing would proceed as Trump's arguments against it are, for the most part, a repetition of the arguments he has raised numerous times in the past. In court filings, Trump's attorneys argued that they sought a dismissal of this politically motivated prosecution that was flawed from the very beginning. Trump was found guilty on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in May, making him the first former president and president-elect convicted of a crime. Defendants' motion for a stay of these proceedings, including the sentencing hearing scheduled for January 10, 2025, is hereby denied, Justice Merchan wrote in his decision on Monday. The charges stemmed from Trump's attempt to disguise reimbursements for a $130,000 hush money payment to an adult film star as legal expenses. Trump pleaded not guilty and denied any wrongdoing. His lawyers said that filing an appeal should halt the criminal proceedings in his New York case. The sentencing had been delayed repeatedly by the 2024 presidential election and Trump's attempt to have the case thrown out based on a claim of presidential immunity. Justice Merchan ultimately rejected the immunity argument in December. On 3rd January, Justice Merchan issued an order saying he would move ahead with the sentencing before Trump takes office on 20th January, but indicated he would issue a sentence of an unconditional discharge, which means no prison, fine, or probation. Justice Merchan ordered Trump to appear virtually or in person for the hearing. Stephen Chung, spokesman for Trump's presidential transition, reiterated his argument that the prosecution was unlawful. He said in a statement, "The American people elected President Trump with an overwhelming mandate that demands an immediate end to the political weaponization of our justice system and all of the remaining witch hunts." Trump's team has not publicly commented on whether the president-elect will be in court this Friday. But in its response on Monday afternoon to the request for a stay, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office referred to the defendant's decision to appear for sentencing virtually instead of in person. The reference to a virtual hearing was repeated again several pages later. In the response, the district attorney asked the judge to deny Trump's request for an immediate stay of his sentencing and argued he would not be prejudiced by such a decision. The weeks after the election featured a flurry of legal filings from both Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who brought the case, and Trump's legal team. Bragg's office previously indicated that it would not oppose delaying Trump's sentencing until after he finishes his term in office, 4 years from now. But after Justice Merchan decided to move ahead with the sentencing, Bragg asked the judge to proceed with sentencing on Friday. However, the judge left the door open to further Trump legal challenges, writing that he must be permitted to avail himself of every available appeal. Thanks for watching. Please kindly let us know what you think about this in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.